Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out another video. Today we're going to be doing the Flow Designs rear diffuser. Now this is the part of this kit that I'm most excited for. I think the back of this car just needs so much love. The front looks really good, but the back is just meh, as we all know. So there's a lot of things I like about the back, but I just think there needs to be something back here to kind of do something, because you got this big bumper and it just, I paint matched it and it looks a little better, and the brake light, but there needs to be something else, and that's where this stuff comes in. So we have the rear diffuser, which is going to get some fins in it, the flow lock fins, and then we have some rear spats that are going to go here on the rear bumper. Well, this is for the other side, but you get the idea. So all this is going to really, I think, first off, complete the look with the side skirts and the front splitter. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out on my channel as well. I have installs of the side splitter extensions and the front splitter and all the winglets and stuff. So we'll have the rear spats, the winglets, and the rear diffuser. So we're going to install all that today. And then there is one more thing coming from Flow Designs that I'll show you guys here in the future once that gets here and we get it installed. But I'm just excited for this because it's going to be the icing on the cake. It's going to just wrap everything around and it's going to look awesome. I'm super excited. I've seen pictures of it and I can't wait to get you guys more footage. So yes, I know my car is dirty. I need to take it to the car wash. It has been raining here a lot, so I've been washing my car and it doesn't even matter because 2 days later it rains and then you get all these water spots and dirt from the road and everything. So the car is dirty. After I install this, I'm going to go take it to wash it and get some nice pictures of it. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. So I think we're going to start off with the rear bumper spats here. What I'm going to do is just pop these clips off on both sides. This is going to suck because there's a lot of dirt. When you guys start working on this, you'll notice that the rear bumper of this car, the giant diaper, is literally a diaper. It just collects so much shit. There's so many rocks and pebbles and stones and dirt back here. I mean, my garage floor is going to be disgusting when I'm done this. So, and of course these clips get difficult to remove over time. They just don't want to go. Look at that. Look. I'm telling you, look, I broke this clip. Good thing we don't need to reuse these, because I might just, oh my goodness. Yeah, this clip is toast and it's still stuck in there. Ah, okay. I just completely broke the clip now and it's still in there. Ah, there it goes. Then we're gonna remove these 4 clips in the middle of the back bumper. See if these come out any easier. I gotta be careful because this is the section that I painted and I don't, wow. I mean, the amount of crap that is in there. And this car, like, it doesn't matter how often you wash it or anything, it just, when I came back here and I did the fog light and this car had like 1,000 miles on it, not even. There was so much junk. Jeez. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna have access to everything that we need. Okay, so here's the Flow Lock rear diffuser. We have our install kit here. It's gonna come with all the nuts and bolts that we need and these little spacers. If you guys watch the front lip install, the front splitter install, you'll remember these. So we're just going to take these and get them pushed down into here. Now, if you have a rubber mallet, that would be best. I don't have one, so I'm going to use a regular hammer. All right, so now I'm going to slide under the car here and try and get this thing lined up. It should slide right up against the back of the bumper and just kind of line up perfectly back there. And then get your sides lined up. And then if you want to, you can take some clamps and clamp this thing down so it doesn't move around on you. All right, so once we are under here, we're gonna take one of our provided bolts with a washer, run it up through into that metal bracket, put a washer. I know I'm never gonna be able to show you guys what I'm doing, but it's self-explanatory. You're just gonna run that bolt through the hole and there's like a little metal hanger that the bumper is going to kind of hang on. Then you're just gonna run that bolt through that. And then we're gonna have to put on our washer and our nut. And it's gonna be close to impossible to show you guys this easily without lifting the car way up in the air. So just know I am putting the nut and washer on the back side, and it is tricky. It is definitely tricky to get your hand in there and get that nut on the end of that bolt. So something I'm just now noticing after the fact, and maybe I should have paid more attention to it, is that it came with two smaller washers. I just kind of assumed where they went, and I screwed up. I shouldn't have, because the smaller washer should have went over here so that that flow lock piece could come in and push in here. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to undo all this and redo it with the smaller washers here, because I don't think that's gonna lock into place with this washer here. Okay, let's see. Yep, it should be going in that hole, and it can't. Okay, so I got the rest of those bolts tightened down. Now we can finally install our fins. So we're just gonna go like this. And it's gonna lock into place. So there's a gloss and a textured side. I'm gonna have the textured side facing out on both sides. So push that in, locks into place. So now we'll have the gloss side facing inwards. Locks in. Then our final fin here on the end locks in. So these rear spats right here, these come with jack nuts. What happens is, as you tighten down the bolt, it threads into the jack nut. It'll basically be like a permanent nut that'll be like sandwiched in the bumper. I don't have the tool for that. I can't find one locally, and I don't want to wait weeks to get one. Here's the jack nut. Here's what I'm gonna try and do. I'm gonna try and smash this jack nut and see if I can see what I can do here. So I'm just gonna nail this thing. I think it worked. So I'm gonna back that out. I think we smashed it. I think it worked. Without a jack nut tool, I think I just did that. So now I am going to, let's see. Oh yeah, the threads are right there. This worked out great. Okay, I'm really happy about this. So now I'm gonna send this bolt home back into the jack nut with the extension on it. So hopefully you guys understand what I just did there. But that is fastly secured to that jack nut, and it is not gonna go anywhere. So there you can see the rear spat installed now. Okay guys, so the rear diffuser is on, and I will warn you guys, the entire car is filthy, so the rear diffuser kind of looks out of place. But once the rest of the car is clean, I think it's gonna look really nice. So there you can see it. I think it's a really nice subtle touch. And as I said, the rest of the car is dirty, so it does kind of pop out just a little bit. But once the rest is clean and this bumper is cleaned up a little bit, I think this is gonna look really nice. And it just wraps around, again, with the side skirt extensions, the front splitter. I think this thing looks insane. It's not like too far out there. I like how it incorporates into the bumper, whereas the other diffusers just sit below the factory diffuser. This one actually incorporates itself into the bumper. And I think it's really nice how they do that. There you can see it with the side skirts and the front splitter. I'm really happy with how this came out. To me, it is perfect with what I was going for with this car. And the fact that it's all, you know, the same, it matches the side skirts, the splitter, everything, I think it all wraps around wonderfully. So very happy with it. And just like that, I feel like I'm back in Florida all over again. It is getting ready to rain, so I'm not gonna be washing the car today anyways. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. Let me know what you think. I have one more thing coming for this kit. And then I actually have another little accessory that I'll show you guys later on. But at the end of the day, I'm really happy with this kit. I think you will be too. So we'll talk in the comments. Let me know what you think. It's a great kit, and I'll leave a link for it in the description. So any of the stuff that you see on my car now, all the AERO stuff, you can find all that with that one link. So that'll bring up all the Flow Designs products for this car. I'll see you guys in the next video.